So I did a very quick, rough calculation based on small cars, smaller city cars. And from what I've found, your typical, just the petrol cost, not maintenance, cost of buying the car, you're saving considerably. I mean, it's a quarter of what it would cost at a charging point. Charging point typically charges you about R8 a kilowatt hour, which is double the normal rate you get at home. Or if you've got solar, you can work out your own cost, but it's below R2 typically if you're on hybrid. Another important point is obviously maintenance. Cars having low friction tires, regenerative braking, no serviceable parts in that sense. There's no engine, it's only electric motors. Typically, the guys at the worst just swap the battery fluid every 80,000 kilometers. So on the maintenance side, less tire wear because there's low friction tires, less braking. I mean, one of the big things that people typically have to get used to with EVs is their front brakes rusting because they don't get used.